If you are just getting started with coding, choosing between Cursor AI and Replit can feel confusing at first. Both tools are popular, both are beginner-friendly, and both can help you build real projects faster, but they are built for slightly different kinds of learners, and the best choice depends on how you want to start. In this video, I'll break down Cursor AI versus Replit in a simple, beginner-friendly way so you can choose the one that fits your goals. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about what Cursor AI actually is. Cursor AI is an AI-powered code editor built on Visual Studio Code. That means it looks and feels more like a professional development tool, but it adds smart AI features to help you write, edit, debug, and understand code much faster. Cursor runs on your computer, so you do need to install it, but once it is set up, it gives you a powerful coding environment with project-wide code understanding, AI chat, code generation, and intelligent code editing. For beginners who want to learn real-world development workflows while still getting a lot of help from AI, Cursor can be a great long-term choice. Now let's look at Replit. Replit is a cloud-based coding platform that runs directly in your browser. That means you can start coding almost immediately without installing anything. You create an account, open a project, and begin typing code right away. For absolute beginners, that simplicity is a huge advantage. Replit is especially useful if you want the fastest setup possible, easy project sharing, and support for many programming languages right out of the box. If you do not want to worry about installing software or configuring your computer, Replit makes the first step into coding much easier. So when should you choose Replit? If your main goal is ease of use, Replit usually wins. Since everything happens in the browser, there is no installation process to slow you down. This makes it perfect for someone who wants to experiment, learn the basics, or create small projects without dealing with setup issues. Replit is also great if you want to collaborate, because its cloud features make sharing and multiplayer coding simple. If you are a complete beginner and want the smoothest possible start, Replit is often the best place to begin. On the other hand, if you want a more professional coding environment, Cursor AI has the edge. Cursor is better suited for people who want to grow into a modern development workflow. It gives you a stronger editor experience and more advanced AI assistance for larger projects. Cursor's AI tends to be especially helpful when you want deeper code understanding, smarter suggestions, and more powerful editing support across an entire project. So if you care about learning tools that feel closer to what developers use in the real world, Cursor AI is a very strong option. Another important difference is collaboration. Replit shines here because it is built for cloud sharing and team-style coding. You can quickly share your project with others, and they can jump in from their browser. Cursor, by comparison, is more focused on individual development work. That does not mean Cursor cannot be used in a team setting, but collaboration is not its main strength. So if sharing and working together matters most, Replit has the advantage. Now let's compare the AI features. Cursor AI is generally known for deeper code understanding and stronger AI-assisted editing. It is especially useful when you want help navigating larger code bases or making smart changes across multiple files. Replit also includes AI tools, and they are helpful, but Cursor is often preferred when the coding tasks become more advanced. So if AI help is one of your biggest priorities, Cursor is usually the more powerful choice. Here is the simplest way to think about it. Choose Replit if you want the fastest and easiest way to start coding in your browser. Choose Cursor AI if you want a professional-grade editor with advanced AI features and you plan to work on larger projects as your skills grow. For complete beginners, Replit is often the easiest starting point. For long-term development and AI-powered coding, Cursor AI is usually the stronger choice. So if I had to give you a quick verdict, here it is. Replit is best for absolute beginners and browser-based coding. Cursor AI is best for learning modern development with powerful AI assistance. Both are excellent, but the right one depends on whether you value simplicity or depth. If you enjoyed this comparison, please hit the like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech tutorials, and leave a comment letting me know whether you would choose Cursor AI or Replit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.